Nigerians, so VeryDarkMan called me this afternoon, like for the first time in my life. The first time, you know, I was just resting because my body just gets a day, like since these few days, like I'm not today alright. So my phone rang, I picked. It was VDM. Say, my name is VeryDarkMan. I say, oh VDM, what's up? Say, cool, how far? I do alright. So you know all these guys to guys conversation. Now we talk for a while. Then he now said he's calling me because of this particular video. I said, okay, any problem? He said no. Some guys don't see him and they interested on this stuff. You know, I'm gonna code the words. You know, when I not to get angry. I said, okay, cool. He now said, okay. You like to share my number with them? Like, I say, oh, cool, no shaking. So he shared my number with the Oga, the commanders. He can't share the commander number to me. So told me that they're gonna call me, and immediately the Oga called me immediately, and he was like, "Thank you very much. We see what you do, and we thank you very much. So we can as well work together as a team to make this country. This country go great again. Oh, me, I still believe that, bro. This country, we will fight this country until we achieve this country. You know, get. So I said, okay. He said, so he's calling me because he wants me to, you know, may I feed them with details when I get about this where they with me. I said, okay, no problem. Immediately I feed them details where they with me about this particular video. I feed the details to them. You know, that was it. So guys, I want to say that you see this country, if we forget our differences and work together as a team, we will surely win.
I want to talk about this English Alhaji's recent, should I say, exposition. It could be an exposition, but you know, people will think he's just trying to, you know, he's so happy that VeryDarkMan called him, or that he's going to work with the Nigerian army. It could be an exposition that he's doing, actually. I'm telling you. Yes. You know, in that video, he said he's not really in good terms with VeryDarkMan, but all of a sudden, VeryDarkMan called him, asked him certain things that the Nigerian army will want to talk to him. Is he officially the Nigerian army or some members of the Nigerian army? Yeah. Now, let me tell you what I like he did. Because that video could be an exposition. But what I like he did was, he made it public for everybody to be aware. Because we don't know what might happen. We don't know whether it is through Nigerian army that has contacted him or some people who are behind insecurity in Nigeria. We don't know who has contacted him. But the way he blew it open is very fine. In case he disappears, people will know, oh, you said VeryDarkMan called you, then give your numbers to Nigerian, certain people, members of the Nigerian army as a whole. I don't know. He gave your number to them and they called you and they told you you'll be working with them to give them intel. Now, coming to that, giving them intel, you know, I look at it and I was quite, you know, skeptical of that. Will it be that this is the guy Nigerian army will be getting intel from? Nigerian army, despite their sophistication, we know that Nigerian army is very sophisticated. A lot of money is being pumped into the army to be able to get information and do their work well. With that sophistication, you think Nigerian army now, as a whole, the Nigerian army is relied upon the information, okay, maybe part of the information from English Alhaji to do their work. So look at it. And English Alhaji agreed. First of all, let me tell you, I am in support of Nigerian army to do their work well. I am very much in support of them to do their work well. And I'm in support of them to defeat the insecurity and security problems of Nigeria. I'm in support of them to totally and truly defeat the situation. But when you are dealing with people, you have to be careful. You're sure this is officially Nigerian army or some members of the Nigerian army who wants to? Because you don't know. It could be that, let's look at it different ways. I'm not telling you this is what it is. No. I'm trying to look at it. A lot of people are, if you go to this guy's page, when he posted that stuff, you see a lot of comments. People are like, be careful of VeryDarkMan, oh, be careful of VeryDarkMan, oh, be careful of VeryDarkMan. Almost 99%. Okay, let me say 95. Let me be plain. Let me say 95. Almost 95% of the comments on that particular, on his wall, are telling him to be careful of VeryDarkMan. They are warning him, be careful. They are cautioning him. And let me tell you, okay, some people are saying it could be Nigerian army trying to pick up this guy and deal with him. Now, if the Nigerian army needs this guy, truly, they have him within their radar. They know how to get him. If the Nigerian army wants to pick up English Alhaji, they know how to get him. I don't know why they will have to come through VeryDarkMan. Is it for him to be convinced enough that it is a good move? I don't know. Then I'm not sure. I don't know whether it's truly the Nigerian army or some personnel of the Nigerian army. So he has to be careful. Let me touch on VeryDarkMan a little bit and we'll come back. Now, VeryDarkMan has been a nice guy. We've seen what he's doing. He calls himself the fourth arm of the government. We see what he's doing. A lot of nice works. But there's something I noticed about him. Please permit me. He has a contentious spirit. Yes. There is this, I want to be on top. Yes, I want to be the one that everybody's looking up to. He has that kind of spirit. I don't want anyone else to, he doesn't have to say it. He doesn't have to say it for you to, when you haven't followed somebody for a while, you'll be able to say, this is what this guy wants. There is that, I see that kind of attitude. I see it in him. He wants to be the one on top. He wants to be the one everybody's reporting to as the fourth arm of the government. He wants to be the one that is advising the youths, telling everybody this is what you must do. He wants to be the one until he says it. Whatever anyone is saying is wrong. When I also look at his fight with Showore, I was like, small boy, no, yeah. Thank God for technology and, what is happening now. What we can, our hand can assess now. Showore started back in the school. I'm not saying Showore is a saint, but, there are people who started as activists in the school days. We've been hearing Showore, not be today. And you want to pull him down. You want to be, note, I didn't say Showore's record is clean. I don't know about his record. But then, you see that contention coming again, wanting to contend with, that contentious spirit from VeryDarkMan, wanting to outwit Showore. There are some kind of comments you don't just make. A particular lady, I was watching her on a video on Facebook, was saying, you have broken the law of the street. Yeah, people might not really consider what she's saying, but I understand where she's going to. There are rules for everything. There are people who are in the game before you. It doesn't mean you cannot do better than them. But then, Oga, take and small, lack of experience, they push some people into gutter. They make some people fall. So VeryDarkMan is doing a nice work. What VeryDarkMan is doing, I cannot do it. The risk he is taking. But then, that contentious spirit, Oga, calm down. You will still get there. Yes, people goes from rank to rank up. You don't jump from this to. I'm not saying you are not. You are going to do your work, but don't try to. Trying to pull down others for you to climb. No, just do the right things. Do the right things. When I shared the video of VeryDarkMan and Billord, when they started this problem about the app, there's a certain app people complained that took their money. I was in support of VeryDarkMan. I was like, I don't want anything. I'm not in support of anything that looks like a criminal activity. I'm not saying Billord is involved in any criminal activity, but then I don't want people to. How can people go to do something online and their money is missing? I did a video on that. If Billord is doing things like that, he should desist. But when VeryDarkMan came to destroy markets, as in telling people that trying to crash prices, I was doing videos. I said, go and bring your own in. If your own is cheaper, we buy. Stop crashing markets online. After all, the phone, anybody trying to buy that particular phone, that phone is not the first necessity among the first things we need. It's a luxury phone. So if you want to buy a luxury car, any price they mention, you can afford it and you buy. You're not helping Nigerians by crashing down the price of that particular phone. That phone is a luxury. There are other cheaper phones, but people want to use that phone. They want to show we are using this particular phone. Whatever the name is, I don't care. So I was opposed to him. Go and bring your own cheaper phones. People will buy. Stop crashing prices. You want to bring all of this product. You said so, these guys are selling costly. Bring the cheaper ones we'll buy and stop crashing prices online. So VeryDarkMan is doing a nice work on some areas, but there are places you mustn't feature, you mustn't appear on every video. You mustn't be seen interfering on everything. It is gradual. One good move will beget another gradually. You will not get there, at once. So VeryDarkMan has fought with a lot of people in this our space, internet space. He has fought with a lot of people. The other day, White Dragon Show, I saw some of his Retel member. Is it Retel or Retel? I saw some of them saying, Organo didn't lose any fight. He has won all the fights. And that is what swells him. He likes to hear that. You have won all the fight. You have been defeating everybody. And I've heard him severally say, we are like gods over you. I see pride building up. That contentious spirit and pride. We are like gods over you. No human being should say that. That particular kind of thing brings people down. Now let me leave VeryDarkMan's side. So let's go back to English Alhaji. You wonder why the Nigerian army will want to. The Nigerian army as a whole. Okay, or maybe the northern part of Nigerian army would want to rely on information from English Alhaji. Look at that now. When you see things like that, trying to take shape, people get worried. Now, understanding who VeryDarkMan is, people are worried. Guy, wash your back. Oh. Some people are telling him, if you go to that comment section, you see, some people are telling him to discontinue everything. Note again, please, I am not opposed to the Nigerian army. And I work Nigerian army. I want them to succeed in this fight against terrorism. I want them to succeed very well. And I can't be part of trying to stifle information or trying to stop anything that will help them work. But, there are some moves that will make you suspicious. There are some moves. The only thing I will tell this guy, English Alhaji, be careful. Know who you are dealing with. There are people who are saying that it is a way to, like this particular English you hear, this slang, they want to enter you, guy. They want to enter you. They are trying to enter you and, they want to expose whatever you are doing. I don't know what he's doing. All I know is that he has been giving us information on social media. And we've been enjoying it. He has been giving us information concerning the security situation, especially in the north. Some of the time you hear him talk about soldiers' failures. Some of the time you hear him talk about soldiers' successes. I normally celebrate when I hear soldiers' successes. I don't like soldiers' failure. And they are, trying to cleanse Nigeria of terrorism. I celebrate their successes. Some of the time his news are failures. I feel sad. So I don't want him to stop with those information. And I think if Nigerian army needs such information, they can always get it from his page. Do they need him to stop doing what he was doing and, be coming to them privately? I don't know. So he has to be careful. He has to be sure these are true Nigerian army. There are many stories also attached to this fight against terrorism. That you don't just put yourself into it. You have to be careful. Know who you are meeting with, who you are dealing with. There are so many stories that are not good to write home about. Let me tell you, there are good soldiers, a lot of them. And there are evil ones who have infiltrated the force. It's possible. Some have infiltrated the force to destroy it, to destroy the good works. So you have to be careful. You don't know. You have to be sure of who you're working with. And that is why you see messages pouring in on his page, cautioning him because they like him. And because they are started feeling suspicious, worried about how VeryDarkMan operates. And that is it. You have to be careful. And that's the essence of this video. I support the Nigerian army to succeed. I want them to succeed. I'm not part of those who see where Nigerian army is killed and I celebrate it. No, I want them to survive. If insecurity is totally rid out of Nigeria, it's totally, if insecurity can be combated in this country, at least brought down to the lowest minimum, it is for the good of all of us. So I will not be among those who are looking for the downfall of the army. No, God forbid. And I'll end this video with that. Thank you for watching. Please share widely. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. I'm Alhaji. I say bye-bye for now.